cause your rain to fall on us. Adia Mayeno, in Chirimabekai, Utibu also be Buamofo, Samuye Nia, Manyania, the Bessia. Nipawi, Nipa Monsisasi. She said, we'll see Bannon in Paso. He said, we'll see what's now. And where to be the dear Mima Thames and maybe a classy. Way, I dear we. No, Nico. When you come, they said, we'll see woman. One number Kuromana has said, we'll see Channel. Now, call to a free walk.
Ain't a friend running out there? Amount for Hamia, say Penyah, every farmer Cassaye. My every fanka for the records. Kevin Taylor, Seminole, court, Ekemu, every fair can die or say there, Munyabotre. Every farmer, I say, for the record, they show the amount of the movement or Okatakyie Afrifa mensa. Bemaba, or Bekasa. What did I know about to Kevin Taylor as a Supreme Court? Edna the 2 minutes so Ekem. A restaurant that I came just will come. As a now, Ghana Hanum, insult, I'll be free. There's a green light for insult. Insult is legalized because Kevin Taylor and the Supreme Court judges have set their precedents. They have set it. Every for Aberdeen come out from over fire ever home. I Penyah Block Media. Let's say any demo. Over like if you do not down my subscribe button, some back the notification code for latest updates. Now better the watch and the mama ever comment section. Let's pass over so. No achieving of us any be ashe. It in perfect say. After salary point, I want to the idea to the bar say Kevin Taylor Ghana Hanum. Every first Eddie be a piece so. What I say? Every Friday be a piece. And exactly 1 week. And every Friday expose about say Kevin Taylor Ghana. Oh no, also be chiremu echo deep. Ebe chire the entire Kevin Taylor Ghana Hanum. I know a issue with lawyer Eric Chebafo. I say or the arrest warrant. I took Kevin Taylor through so. Abra Kevin Taylor ADD. Judge Atem after say Judge AJ ni boni ni nyinafa NCA corruption be cause NCA on ma say justice AJ ni boni no ye chairperson no enu na Kevin ebeto no ho ene judge eso the arrest warrant eto Kevin so na Kevin boy ni tie saa boy ni tie tena ho tena America ho boy ni tie ama na ban aba power na baba na ne obaye ana abusia obuko Supreme Court the case that no so no yakọ akotwam the question na man for twenty and same every faba and same ben no beka ebusia for the records Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bon so about life no buy no yenko tie seriously kan Kevin Taylor so o si address here na Mahama de in fact wa fire pass Mahama ebegu Ghana democracy wo gu nanimu asese wo gu Ghana democracy animu asese fenfenam
oya na ba no mo say ayedan Mami educate you omwe. Say na anu betena ha. Na monka no krenti. Monfa me bo mame. Say mo de me bo mame a. The kan sansa daily die na ye no kre. Ana ye pamon. Well you so full computer na one typewriter. Was so ye doctor so ye doctor. Me be kan wa ha. He say doctor no ye free din so. Nya sa. Ani ye na omoko fa ambulance die bai. Eno so me kan ye no ye ko hwem no kre ye yapam no. Meba ya mese kokohwedie bola bedi o kroma last week na bekai etimuntimi ngase ne Okatakyie ne fela na ekura no ay authentic it's a bola bed no wramu bia mehunu na ne yabehwe de state no aye se wo immigration service se wo police or national security na warrant da obi so na otimi wramu eba ema state no abo ne ho ban na state ne bo ne ho ban wi a na state na sa de na court no na issue warrant no court no se na ni ahu na so ante na court no se wa ba be gina na nim wa bra court na order say warrant da so etikọ na later you make any determination waba ugina court ho em yesa overturn warrant na fe ye musa first of all ye ka say obi aye contempt of court kura ye de ba dia and emranaka says ye mra enya she procedure says any as ye faso as ye faso pepepe ne kwa se achia no. Now, then you zoom in. Now you're ready a year order 50 of a year Civil Procedure Act. That is CI 47. Our court no say wodi asemwa. Sanyo man no faso. Now you can order 50 rule 1. Chenio. Baby a justice chamber for fan the contempt in free. And the Supreme Court is so munti bi da no. Now, offer a year order 50 rule 1 of a year committed for contempt. You can contempt ya. What book court name tia? Near Frewo. Now, I see the power of the court to punish for contempt. Genio of the court may be exercised by an order of committal. 2. Committal proceedings shall be commenced by an application to the court. 3. The application shall be supported by an affidavit stating inter alia. You can inter alia. Just say among other things. Say all custom. Now the be kaho. And then also it shall state inter alia. And a Latin word for among other things. Inter alia, the grounds of the application. Now 4, subject to sub rule 5. Sub rule 5 you better read it. Say you can run subject to bibia. That means you go baby or subject to no. Say almost see a throw away there. Now so yan san can we was subject to sub rule 5. The notice of motion together with a copy of the affidavit in support of the application shall be served personally on the person sought to be committed. Now, lastly, that is sub rule 5. Also, without prejudice to its power, under order 7, rule 6 of the court may dispense with service of notice or motion if it thinks it is just to do so. The Ayakam Brofuntin Yinan say, okay, order 50, rule 1 of a civil procedure, that is CI 47, or say, court ama orders be, say, Abia Kofi the Mako Court, General the Mako Court, and a court when I make you orders, said yes, a medium fee, now put in the court, say what you defamation, now court in the ruling say 1.5 million. Besi ne sami mfintri a 1 cedi kura eti na pobeti mi akokot enso so do bi kokot akopet 10 million umu de ye award against you kwa huntua afi na pobeti mi akokot if the court ndo make order wono wonhwe bibia nemo no se nipa na mu order na court na ye na pobeti mi akokot akoka kire court ne se wo order na wo ma sami mfi se ontua me 5 million ontua mu 1 cedi kura nemo make sa order na application no supporting with affidavit ne de kekeka wo that is one way our court no be ka se and now say wo you make order when this no bra for contempt precisely ti nipa no apply nemo no there are also instances dan yanko ready a sub rule 2 near hadian catch them you be educate you why you be educated. You be sure definition for contempt. By definition, a person commits contempt and may be committed to prison for willfully disobeying an order of the court, requiring him to do any act other than the payment of money or to abstain from some act. It's where a definition of the court. A contempt. Now, yanko a year sub rule 2. Or the 50 sub rule 2 it medical chira o kwan ba ko a faswa it make us a court number order na wo abunanimtia it may make application to the court say court nim fro na be chirem de ntia wo abunanimtia na momo there is also order 50 sub rule 2 which says otherwise than if I not to so but before that, then if I make a year article 1262, Nyanko Radie, fire. Kofi yakasa contempt of court. Superior courts, omo pen na wotu me so omo ye contempt of court. Na yaka superior courts na court ni achemu mienu. First na komo ka superior and inferior court. Na yanka inferior court biu. We say the lower court. So superior courts in here the high court, court of appeal and supreme court. Now the lower court, circuit court, district court in here now Yankai Article 126. Or see the superior courts, which is High Court, Court of Appeal, Supreme Court, shall be superior court of record. Now the entire one says shall be superior court of record. And they say the superior court need the assembly now or make a decision. Your friend is stare decisis, which is precedent. Now precedent, and no be making sure say other lower court, so more make a decision. They won't depart from the superior court rule. it was said the superior court shall be superior court of record. It is a court no was here, a circuit court, ne district court, more decasia. Or more share the decision of the high court. No more dear ruling. Sounds on a high court in Sudia. High court no share the decision of maybe a court of appeal and now Supreme Court. No dear really. Now court of appeal no or no any decision. Or no Supreme Court decision no dear ruling. Now Supreme Court there, the decisions are binding on Omwankasa. It's the Supreme Court until such a time that Supreme Court can depart from a year the decision no my and Emrane Momo Quine. And Momo set a decision or departing. Now you read it. Or say the Superior Courts shall be superior court of record and shall have the power to commit for contempt to themselves and all such powers as were vested in the court of record immediately before the coming into force of this constitution. It is justice here for so the odiasem na oti case so emrane man ho kwan say obenya to me and committed to the whole contempt say what book court nanimtia what bu memanimtia eno no ogina aso no ye na yanko ready for the 50 sub rule 2 na yan hwa de already on the 50 sub rule 2 or say committal without application. Don't forget say baako ne yaka say say obi ne making application but the mrane ma inherent power to the court say so obi a making application na judge bi ehunu say ade no amoka no e book court nanimtia or say the court has an inherent power. So he says nothing in rule 1 that is our application affects the power of the court to make an order of its own motion against a person to show cause why the person should not be committed for contempt of court. It is justice chamber for AUSU order 50 rule 2 and was say be the case what's akwa we bolabadi what's na ho akikansem I go meme hu fi egu court no fi na Supreme Court High Court no constitution amani to me to commit unto themselves contempt sanso na order 50 rule 2 no eno so amomo kwan e di just cheba fu afre and wa twere order ama court no say police for so momfa akwa we mra na Kevin Teller asemu a work and bola bed na asemu a work and say tieni o Asan ye issue warrant. What are we talking? Now Supreme Court is one in the argument. It beats a natural justice. Medical culture was a natural justice and never be all the term pattern. Everybody deserves a hearing. And no more Judas in Casaswa. You cannot be a judge in your own court. So ordinarily, you cannot be a judge in your own court. For you to see how contempt operates, when it comes to contempt, the Constitution gives the power to the High Court, power to the Superior Court judges. So judges in their own court. It tells you how contempt of court is prohibited by the Constitution. If it's a Constitution, it's a book court no limtia. And in several constitutional democracies, that's what we have. Exactly. Now, young Congo here. Kevin Teller say yentino. Na Supreme Court say I am pa yentino. Kevin Teller say na esenki Supreme Court Justice Cheba for edika ka say bra na ebe kire die ntia na o refuse na afi ye issue warrant. Tienio. Ewa bra order 50 rule 2 echiremu clearly say court no when they feel that you have been contempt ometimia order sebra now oko ready dani famekoni ready you can say Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960 Act 29 Section 10 of Act 29 when them say almost ordinarily police in Ebechiwa will use warrant but them running him said there may be instances where the police must prevent crime and harm Wasama police need to me say when a crime is being committed in your face and you have na aba besina court akwaji warrant aba the mischief is seeks to cure is that it Criminal and Offences Act 29, Section 10. Or say arrest by a police officer without warrant. It is Yamaho Quine. The Supreme Court ruling Jinadia. The Omopa say police in the class will be the Bonia. Yes, or court, no. And the court cannot even issue warrant first. Name of court no as what I say. But I bet you the entry would this aboneno. Naturally, we are. And Sunny betting me issue. No what's be done. Supreme Court. Hey, wait the more. If the Samoka say Yentie Kevin Taylor. Now yet what back out when it was the essence of the warrant. If the entire issue warrant is that you see police for national security, immigration, so much send paya, more funny meaning. Now on make sure the entire anyone see a committee to jail. Now you ready a year order not justice chamber for making here. Now you ensure the wedding of the order. Order yesterday. Also bring him. So bring him no. And yes, all do any throw so jail. Because of the nature of contempt, Yamrano, on trust specifically, a year punishment, Edema contempt. It's Rambakaya, contempt cases under John Mahama, time a year election petition. And no more yena is a mere uku, or Mako Kabibi, Omko Supreme Court, Nevia, or Manum, so we are warning. And so can it take Crunchy could do on Yadin to jail. Sansuna took to bigger, on Shaded to jail. Anna, a muntia to the food, almost your own jail. So Supreme Court is a contempt is in such a way that the courts will decide what punishment to give you. It is Nyasa Bola Bedi, Sanagini Moha, and an lawyer, or Mudin Kwasasama. And this was even a perfect opportunity for us to have a conversation on the opaqueness, or so to speak, the absoluteness of the power of contempt for the court. And then I this was your friend be jurisprudence. You can't jurisprudence, and that means a marano, because in you see every day. We must develop the law. The law must grow, and the law only grows when you challenge the law. So Sakwa ya Jumapa, and also all fighting for the people. He should rather have gone to court for us to have a conversation on the whole contempt and the absoluteness of the powers that is given to the court, for them to now arrogate unto themselves. As now you more hunting, Ujani, Eddie Akosa Day, Yenny warrant new friends. Now, dear one say, it's time of free fee, Ujare. That moment, no warrant near active. National security, national security car. And a kofane, I say this on authority. Medicare number 2. Medicare and number 2. Namon question national security car. National security and a far and an page in so. Na efa car number 2. Na menchira mo kwan ye fa so check a ye car number plate. Say insurance wo ho ana insurance ni ho a. E wona be hunu say national security car na no use. Menchira mo say the see no. It's national security kofa bola bedi a wodi ni free fee abesina court one. There was an active warrant on him, so at no point should he have been protected. Rather he should have been arrested, put before the court, which is a just chamber first court. Then whilst the court is ongoing, they will say that we filed an application at the Supreme Court, for which reason the court must stay. So per the constitution, whenever High Court is hearing any matter, Nasa Obiko Supreme Court for interpretation, the High Court judge is supposed to stay proceedings and wait for a determination to be made at the Supreme Court. And so when I do Munyaha, and person and Pagan and develop here, and Court Justice Yaba for anymore, no more refer say yes, stay proceedings because there is a determination to be made at the Supreme Court. I be way I'm gonna ball up and I'm going to say G. Now I said we see homie walk, no mask anymore. Change as you share. Wo krum twan we na so obema na wo free court wo bia ya mo hwe ne bobre we bema we asa akokoba court but you remember nyam hwe nipa we yo we ade we na timi didi nipa te we we na didi abrempo ne nyina ho ne mpaso we and then is women in near rested was your home. They said they're all home treated war. I didn't. Then you question no more. Question I can no more rested was your home. Oh, Crom now in Yahoto. That's what she said was your woman with nose masking. Wayo Bema when they did matter with the Maya way at the Tantansi. The Pakan can't be when it did matter move. Now, me catch them said what here. Moba camera was a man sent change. What you quote to no one more than that. Quote to no a tranensa. We a Bema. Well, where no Kuromo. It's a one and said here. No, did you catch them and said here? Shabema Tantan time. Kevin tell and one you. What's your coat said, dear Grano? Way. That's your grand coat. More fire. Yeah, way. Wait at me, didn't part a move. At to Mahu Kroma. Gobi, etiquette, you know. It says Supreme Court. I say, or Mama ruling. Now, or more, you know. And a domi market format, or more framing. 47 or the 50 rule 1 through 2 mamiki makola format omo ntiase to omo so we omo din komo ana omo so eni yanko case ben na dey asem ikura bai tieni o kofi mumie waso hara mu tieni da kibie waso ha na tieni omo yana na mamiki ne makola format ne ka kyerem se domi format no mo frɛ conference call no mo ya omo din komo na me gina so na beti no mo se ka de tie de ye hunu ne se case de contempt we buy no na eye the republic tieni o Akufo-Addo ba so no ana NCA na board chair your friend Eugene Bafo-Boni pay attention case no de contempt same case e buy na NC board chair then Eugene Bafo-Boni na the Republic versus Eugene Bafo-Boni and 4 others and I don't market for ne kase Bafo-Boni die I say any you know no mo dey course any chief justice no acting chief justice what they say Bafo-Boni na so when e dey ba munya sim no say na be ka te chi na ha ne kase e to mo ye no mami ke o what dey kasa ne be to mo ye no no me so Eugene Bafo-Boni no ni senior brother any acting chief justice Justice Bafo-Boni and the enokure the senior brother it's Justice Cheba for and the Eugene Bafo-Boni ne kotu mu ekotu je na ye this case no a Republic versus Eugene Bafo-Boni and 4 others no and ma bola be di koka de okaye no and ye chain for contempt na no mo ye no mo so ane eno kwanti no mo share da yes ma ye yi chief justice ayi toko no afri mo na Eugene Bafo-Boni senior brother chief we do me market phone ko mo di na me ntesa me o mo nkomo ba na wo mo mienu no wo mo nua ne Bafo-Boni a Radio Gold ne ye ne dia it's Eugene Bafo-Boni senior brother Chief Justice Bafo-Boni and their senior brother is Radio Gold so you say total to West and it's na komo no e bebre o ma so na me senti mo ka me na ko sei ana do me market ne makola fo ne yese na se sa na tie dia sa ne we no de back court na Chief Justice ne so ahwa se me nua case na ne yedi na akoka abie na yese nti ampa contempt ni nya na warrant na so hey don't be for mo so don't for no bon mami kini na ba omo di nkomo pa omo ti do nkomo de ya na ano ose enya nkomo papa don't for na kai o we smart don't emano shit adum for man omo calculations on be yo betimi aye boni to boni ni pie do me no don't me for Tommy and so any SSA na tie dia say mekura na wo Justice Cheba for wo di menua case and obi ko kan bie wo kan bia boa menua no ana wo chain for a contempt warrant ya na wo chena be chief acting judge but me dia menyin tum sa me gwene say court no o mo reasoning na we yamfa we no mai judgment no mai It's one of the bar and you ever heard the reasoning of the court. We could do court na ye ma decision of the court. What kind of decision ni be brave? Nemo your portion be a friend the reasoning of the court. The entipa, the akanyina ye mugu. I wa mu Latin word be a the friend when I'm ready na fie. The akanyina ye mugu. Why? What more you know say? Say contempt basso. No, because we could you contempt with a warrant everywhere. And case Attorney General, ever be defending. Now, Osha a year baby a law house, Attorney General office, and they go Supreme Court one 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Ofaka 1 second. It's law house in the maybe Attorney General office in Attorney Nana Jonku Yaneya into Obiama ho. There be a Yakamafo. Obiama.
Baku beside the nan inside them Quemu and nan went to me uncle.
One side of Quem. Don't market for the
and I'm Simamu Pisasa.
Me Musasa. Mobisano ho. Send inside them Quem. I can speak for the Attorney General and the Deputy. I'll be biased when I make comment, very biased. So I won't pass comment. Justice Remsa is a very just guy.
Exactly.
The law will surely be the law.
Precisely.
His boss. Penny movie frame and Andriano Kabis, Attorney General. It drew Babina Kagana be Lususi Kabis. Emma Yefregan and Pennyphobia Munko dear than Sikrumu in Tiao Mino. Yenyagan and Pennyphobia Munko than Sikrumu. He took this Attorney General to go and stand in and no dear dance Yamagana Yentrias. So I was on your bad person. I don't know him personally, but I know the deputy personally, and I know how slim size. But political power, political hands, the free presidency, he might not really have anything to do. He said, "Don't you your mama the church?" The moment can see you. Said I'm catching him so chrome her. Said Ansansa Deli a fake doctor. Said I'm a ambulance case. The next thing that they are going to do, because because the fake doctors one failed, they will give the baller bed an appointment in the coming days. And the appointment of money be away. Remember Saturday, my catch them. So the entire baller bed in the be warrant or mobile man appointment.
No, he didn't go to the blue 101.
Coach was the traffic chamana ko viral. But the emfa grow nyina anto nche. So hwɛ me ametie. Obi. O hwɛ me ametie. Ya ba grow nyanto nche. O hwɛ me be me ya ametie. Na nipa wi nipa mo sisasi hwese de wo si ba ne paso hwese de wo si eti mutina and wait to be did me matem se be ekurase ni boyi ade we
no ni ko ana
oni kon hwese de wo si home wonna mo kuro mu na hwese de wo si twitwa na ni na court no na free wo na so sadia na wo tena brochira wo ye mon kobu wei mon koshi wei munya sei bola ben mam ka sam chiro court na free wo na de otu edubone no ebi be kana da ni manyina shebemachi when what did ni mpani fo ade bia ekoyi voyo kobi ade wait me did me matter
na real.
Can you say court ne bro ne sasu?
Winter coat no
shit. Enya winter coat angasa na ne bobre ne yabia nyefe. Onya all time. Just all time angasa. Wait me did na ya abrefo atem. Ni pakan kan tantan say. Erade from body chem we nyu abode ni bia. We me sure so the man Judas mo na ye homework. I'm telling you, where the first time say no one that's what 20 pound 1 minute. I said, you want to say, no, the anybody. Na ye no ye nipa titire bia ne bobre bi e fe na me tie kwa Afrifa say dem abasa asi ahye kama na me chest me bia mu a ayi ni ade na ma yi boje me so yi me nkodi di obi atem na owo inferiority complex if so hwe ne ho ahwe mu a the more time pa
more fire
eti na odidi ni pa atem na nya asem ne yenka ka bema be gina wa unhu srade kura wo body na we be ka munyine to kire munyine Daddy, next time pedas me. We are more than saying that bless you.
more fire
It is Supreme Court. What be idea if you are a nigga and cause your rain to fall on us. Adia Mayeno, and Chilima Bekai, Utibu also be Buamofo. Samuye in year, one year, the Messiah.
Waiting somewhere, man of the moment, Okatakyie Afrifa Mensabusu, Obeka. So far as Kevin Taylor, a restaurant at Danosono, Yakwashe by Supreme Court, a year consent. Ubet Machewa Amame, our comment session. I Penyah Block Media, Accra.